What it do, YouTube? It's Isaac. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying stocked up on parts. With the coronavirus going around, make sure you guys are getting what you need. Staying sanitized, wiping down your stores, washing your hands, cleaning the equipment. But today's a real quick rant. I was messaged. I'm actually right now, I'm in the parking lot of Huntington. I just did my deposit. I had a friend message me on Instagram. He DM me. And the reason why it caught my attention and I had to just stop after I did the deposit and just hurry up and record this was because this is so important. So the message was, hey, Isaac, should I be putting water seals back in the iPhones that are labeled as water resistant? Should I be putting the water seals back in these phones? And this is my answer to that. If you are not setting expectation with your customer about you not putting that water seal back in, then you're only shooting yourself in the foot. So what do I mean by that? So if I don't have a customer sign off on some type of paperwork that legally is going to not hold me accountable if I don't put that water seal back in, and it holds the customer accountable. If I don't put that water seal back in, it's on them because they signed for it. Then if you're telling and you're being upfront and you're being honest and you're telling customers that you're not putting the water seals back in, then you're fine. But I feel like ethically, we should be putting water seals back in devices that already come with the water seal. I mean, you got to think about it. If you broke your phone and you were repairing it, would you put a water seal back in your phone? Would you? I can almost guarantee you would. So why wouldn't in the world would you not do that for a customer? Because it takes an extra 60 seconds to apply. It takes an extra step. It costs 60 cents to $1 extra. Sometimes even come with the displays now. Put the water seal back in the customer's phone if you are telling the customer that you are going to hand them back their device as if they didn't break it in the first place. Giving it the water resistancy to your best ability, even if the seal is not OEM, you should be doing this with your customers. And if you're not telling your customers, if you're just taking the phone and you're not explaining anything to them, most customers would expect that you would probably put the seal back in for them. Most customers would. Most customers won't. Heck, most customers aren't even educated on what a water seal is. This is where we come in. This is where we have to be upfront. Oh, they cost extra. What? They're 60 cents to $1. It makes the repair 60 seconds longer. What? Are you serious? Put the water seal back in that device. If you are telling customers that you are going to do it, or you're telling customers that you are going to make their phone water resistant again to your best ability, do not tell them that they're going to have a water resistant phone and you're snapping the phone shut and you're not putting it in. It makes the whole industry look bad. You're not just hurting yourself, you're hurting all the other repair shops that do third-party service and repair as a whole. It is not hard. And like I said, if you are telling customers, hey, and this shop, we don't put water seals back in the phones. I don't know why you would say that to them. But if you're telling them that and they sign off on it, then there you go. But do the right thing. What if it were your phone? Would you want the water seal back in? I would want the water seal back in, whether it be a third-party water seal or not. What about dust? What about other things? What about dirt? What about debris? I would want that water seal back in. So put the water seals in the phones. Stop being lazy. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.
Look, every time I step up in the place, you know that I'm supposed to be here just by the look on their face. Man, I move around too much and don't stay in one place. I'm just trying to get a milli, go ahead, call me Dwayne. See, I'ma go ahead.